Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Thai desserts. This is a coconut pancakes, or in Thai we call Kanom Babin. It's a traditional Thai dessert with a few ingredients and easy to make it. You will get the chewiness from the sticky rice flour, crunchy from shredded coconut, and also aroma from coconut milk. It's perfect for combination. Let's start with the dry ingredients. This is the sticky rice for 90 grams with the arrowroot flour for 10 grams. In the large bowl, we use the coconut milk for 67 grams. Then we're gonna add the coconut sugar for 50 grams. Sugar for 35 grams. Coconut water or just water for 40 grams. And then mix it until the sugar is dissolved with the coconut milk. Then we gonna add the coconut milk into the flour that we are prepare, and then mix it well. So use your hand to mix all the ingredients together and mix in the coconut milk and knead together until it's combined well. And then we're gonna add the coconut for 160 grams and then mix it well. And then we're gonna hold it for 1 hour. And then we're gonna use a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and put our batter onto the pan. For the size, depend with what you want. You can just press it one time, a biggest one for the pancake or the small one like this. So just cook each Kanom Babin for 1 or 2 minutes and check to see if the bottom is golden brown and some was crispy, and then flip it. Kanom Babin are crispy on the outside, chewy and coconutty on the inside, and it's just very good taste. Now it's ready. When both sides are golden and crispy, set aside on the cooking rack and let cool for 2 minutes before eat. This is the best eaten when warm, but also is very good also for the room temperature as well. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe and see you next time.